let's get a look at the WJZ Outback. You can see it brightening up just a bit. The thing is, we've got fog and we've got cloud cover, so it's not going to get all that bright for today. Very similar to what we had yesterday. But the fog that we have out there, it's not freezing fog. We've got temperatures pretty comfortable, I will say, for the beginning part of a day in early March here in Maryland. We're sitting at 45 degrees right now in Baltimore, 45 in Severn as well as Columbia. Now 45 is pretty much our number across the area. Looking up to Westminster, 45 degrees there. It's currently 42 in Bel Air. Let's head over toward the Eastern Shore. Temperatures there are also sitting in the 40s, 43 right now for our friends in Chestertown. So just know we are sitting in the low to mid 40s across the board as you're stepping out the door. Now, I mentioned that fog. We also have a couple of showers in northern Maryland at this hour, so just a heads up on that. A better chance for maybe more widespread rain comes a little bit later on today. Visibility outside is down to less than a half of a mile in many locations, not just in our area, Baltimore Metro, Upper Eastern Shore, but you head down to southern Maryland, the lower Eastern Shore are also dealing with that dense fog as well. I mentioned those couple of showers. They are light and they are just skirting right along our shared line with Pennsylvania from west to east. That better chance for rain will come a little later today, but we will keep those showers around northern areas, I should say, for a couple of hours before that moves out. We may still have some foggy or misty conditions during the late morning, early afternoon, although Futurecast not illustrating that, just showing the cloud cover that remains overhead. So let's head into this evening. There's that chance for some showers, maybe a couple of storms with some heavier rain late this evening going into tonight. And we keep a few showers overnight into Friday morning. So just a heads up as you're heading out later tonight or early tomorrow morning, we still have some spotty showers, maybe a little bit of that fog around. Neighborhood forecast for Howard and Anne Arundel counties. We are looking at some low 50s. You head away from the bay, though, we've got some upper 50s up towards Howard County. Now let's look at Baltimore City for today. Right around the mid 50s for today, maybe mid to upper 50s by this afternoon. So we've got a wide range of temperatures. It's going to be warmest in the mountains, western Maryland and southern Maryland. Our neighbors for Harford and Cecil counties, just know that's probably going to be the coolest spot. We're thinking low 50s in northeastern Maryland, and you do see that chance for maybe a few thunderstorms toward the mountains and that decreasing chance for storms, but still present as it moves farther to the east. Another chance for storms will move in during the day on Saturday, second half of the day Saturday more so, and then Sunday doesn't look too bad at all. We lose the hour of sleep, but we do gain some temperatures for the afternoon, so a little bit warmer, getting closer to that 70-degree mark to close out the weekend.